Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on your DocuSign account. So when you're logging into DocuSign, what happens is that it's going to require verification code by SMS that you need to use to log in. And in case you change your phone or you lost your phone and whatever it is, so if at any point in time you change your phone or change your phone number or about to change your phone number, then changing your phone number in DocuSign will be a good thing. And you can quickly go ahead and change your phone number by logging into your account. Click your account on the upper right, then click on Manage Profile. Under the Profile section, just simply click on Privacy and Security on the left. Scroll down and you will find the option in the list that basically says verification method, phone number, and you have your phone number and you can quickly delete this phone number, or you can go ahead and add a second phone number by clicking on add phone number. Choose your phone or your country, for example. Once you do that, simply enter the phone number and then you will choose if you want to receive it by phone call or SMS. Then click on send code. It's going to send a code to your new phone, and so once you receive that verification code, then you enter it, and that's going to allow you to successfully add your second phone number right in DocuSign, or at least replace that phone number. Now, if you're replacing that phone number, I would recommend you add the phone number first, verify it, ensure that it's working fine, and then afterwards just simply click on delete to delete this current phone number. This is the best way to do it because it can ensure that you're safe and that the second phone number that you will add will be working first, and then you can remove the old one. But that's it. That's how you go ahead and, let's say, change your phone number in DocuSign. Very easy and very simple.